Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Intelligent kids, present. Words that start with letter I.
I is for iguana.
Iguana.
I is for inchworm.
Inchworm.
I is for insects.
Insects.
I is for igloo.
Igloo.
I is for instruments.
Instruments.
I is for iron.
Iron.
I is for illustration.
Illustration.
I is for ink.
Ink.
I is for ice cream.
Ice cream.
I is for island.
Island.
I is for ice.
Ice.
I is for ice skater.
Ice skater.
I is for inside.
Inside.
I is for internet.
Internet.
I is for injury.
Injury.
I is for image.
Image.
I is for ill.
Ill.
I is for injection.
Injection.
I is for infant.
Infant.
I is for inch.
Inch.
I is for iceberg.
Iceberg.
I is for ivy.
Ivy.
I is for idea.
Idea.
I is for invention.
Invention.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more videos.